Hey legends, how's it going? So my mate with the Parkinson's is finding it a little bit hard to play the bass guitar these days, but he's mentioned that he doesn't mind playing the old blues harp. And I just so happen to have a little something that I want to go and give to him. This is a whole box set of harmonicas that I don't even know how to use, so best him use them than me struggle to try and kid myself. So anyway, if you get a kick out of this video, guys, do me a favour and hit that like button down there. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey, guys, because it's going to be a hell of a ride. Let's do it. Hello. G'day, mate. You home? And you're up and about. Good to hear. What you doing? Good, good. I'm filming this because I've come bearing gifts. You messaged me yesterday about you're blowing a harp.
Yeah.
Check that out, mate. Tell me what you think of that. Nothing. Yeah, I can. I don't even know how to blow them. So if you can get a kick out of them, then even better. I know. Yeah. They all right? Yeah, Honda brand.
Yeah. One of the best.
One of the best, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, even better. Sweet. There you go. What do you think of that?
Oh, mate, that's awesome.
That ought to keep you going. Oh, give us a demo.
Okay.
I got an E, F. I don't know what that is. That one's faded. A. Oh. Wait, I want to grab my banjo. Cool. Or at least blowing a jug. Alright, legends, so April 11th is the day, and you guys can go and check this out for yourself. I'll hopefully leave a link down below in the comments. You can go and check it out for yourselves, but share the shit out of this video and hit that like button, which is down there. Hit that like button down there. which puts this out into the YouTube universe, which makes this go out to more people so more people can really like it and share. It'd be awesome. Cheers, guys. Thanks.